Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Ethereum coin in Trust Wallet. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app downloaded and installed on your mobile device. Next, you'll need to set up your wallet securely, creating a strong passcode and enabling any available biometric security features. This initial setup is crucial for protecting your digital assets. We'll then move on to funding your wallet. Once your wallet is secure, navigate to the Buy button, usually found on the main screen. Here, you'll select Ethereum or ETH from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You'll then be prompted to choose a third-party provider to facilitate your purchase. Enter the amount of Ethereum you wish to buy, keeping in mind any minimum purchase requirements. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After selecting your provider and entering the amount, carefully review all transaction details. This includes checking the current exchange rate, any associated fees, and the final amount of Ethereum you will receive. Once satisfied, proceed to make your payment using your chosen method, like a debit or credit card. Confirm the purchase, and your ETH should arrive in your Trust Wallet shortly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.